Hello, and welcome to NYU. We're looking forward to welcoming you soon. This video will provide you with an overview of how to access your school orientation and Welcome Week events.
First, in your mobile device's app store, search NYU Mobile. Once this app has been downloaded, simply click on Welcome Week.
You will see a drop-down of most NYU schools. Please select your school. If you do not see your school selected, please scroll down to the General Welcome Week login.
After you have selected your school, enter your NetID and the passcode provided to you for your school in an email. Once you log in, you'll have access to many of the amazing features on the app, including information about resources, dining, the campus map, information on getting involved, and of course, access to all your school orientation and Welcome Week events.
When you click on Events, you will see your school orientation events in a different color than the Welcome Week event. Please note that any event noted with an exclamation mark is mandatory, and you should add this event to your schedule.
Speaking about adding events to your schedule, you can do this by selecting any event and selecting Saved. Then, when you go to Saved for that day of the week, your custom schedule will appear. You can even save the events to your calendar. Please note that your custom schedule is only for that day of the week. Please select the drop-down here to move through the days of Welcome Week and create your custom schedule for each day.
You can also filter for specific school orientation or Welcome Week events. Click here to see the different categories. You can select or unselect filters to only see categories of events, such as events for transfer students, international students, or our marquee events.
Make sure to keep push notifications on, since you will be getting messages from your school and for Welcome Week throughout the week with helpful reminders about events. To check messages, simply go here.
The best part about this app? Even after Welcome Week is over, you can utilize all of the other amazing features included in NYU Mobile, such as classes, Albert, real-time shuttle tracking, Safe Ride, and the campus map.
If you have any questions about the Welcome Week app, please contact the Center for Student Life at student-life@nyu.edu.